So we got another lopa here. This is nice and young. I make sure I cut it in the middle, so I know they are young or older ones. So when I cut them, it's cool. It's good to put in your soup. See, it's not quite old yet, so it's good just like that. But if you see the lofa, like young one like this and not very long, this is the variety. And make sure you'll get less than this age. So meaning this one is almost like getting into seeds like this one here. So this one you can't be using it in your veggies or soup or smoke. It's all about to have a dried lopa seeds. So once you dry this one, you can use this as a lopa sponge or something in your thing. So if you got too many lopa, yeah, dry them up, and then you don't have to buy sponge to use in your dishes. So this one, we're gonna remove this one by one, and if there's a sunshine, put this in the sun, and then voila, you can put this in the other season again, and then you can plant this again and again. No guys, this is with crawling as well, but I guess way better than crawling or climbing, better than the other veggies too, like sayote or choco. But this one is crawling as well, but make sure you put trellis on this, yeah, and it's good. So we're gonna remove all the seeds later and then put this in the sun to soak them until they dried up. In here, we succeed in this kind of lopa because a bit younger than the other one that we have a seed. So we're gonna cut this. I think always remove this skin, and then you cut them. It's really nice. I love the aroma on this because back home we always do that. So finally, we have a lopa. And so happy for that. I'm feeling like I'm just in Philippines as well, because all these veggies I can get in my own yard too. If I can't, I have to go in my friend's garden, which is organic, and then just go get from there, barter or buy it from them. If I got more, and then it's fine. So when you planted the seeds, we will have a lot of lofa. I hope I'll be succeed for that. But I'm gonna find some way to grow them, like maybe archers or something. We'll see. Alright guys, cheers. I'm gonna cut this and chop this in ours. Soup, pumpkin soup and potato soup. Cheers. There's more here. You can go all of it or half. Yum. Wala